What's up, everybody? It's Marsellis back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Litecoin. As you can see, Litecoin just now went down for today, but it's been up the whole day. It's been all the way up. And now this is good because, as you can see, it's really at the top that it's ever been for a year, which is, it's good, but it's not good. So it's not good for the swing trader, but it's good for the holder. And this is what I mean. This is about to drop. So if you're a swing trader, you do not want to be in right here. I really do feel like we're about to hit the new low is going to be around here, and then we're going to reach around here, and then we're going to keep going up. But you want to buy it again right when it's around 240. You don't want to buy it at 249 if you're a swing trader. Now, if you're holding, you definitely want to hold on to it, but I'm waiting for it to go back down to 240 because we're at a little downtrend right here. Yeah, we're up for the day, but the day is going down because it was a big jump. Not too big, but it is a big jump when you think about it. You know, about 10%. But my rule of thumb is every time you go up 10%, expect to go down 5. Every time you go up 10%, expect to go down 3 to 5%. And this is because we cannot just go straight up, straight to the moon. Even rockets don't go straight to the moon. As soon as they get out of Earth's atmosphere, they kind of land, they kind of level out, and they continue to go up, but they're not going up as sharp, they're not going up as fast. So you got to think about this like a rocket, like we're going to the moon. You can't just go straight to the moon. You have to have some slow moving periods. So definitely continue to watch out for Litecoin. As you can see here, we were low, we jumped high. This would be a good point to sell it, and then you would buy it back. And then this would be a good point to like sell it right up here, because this isn't much of a jump. You would actually want to hold it through this, and then when it goes all the way up, then you would want to sell it. But as I would say, like, swing trading is only if you have a lot more money. I would say 10,000 and plus. Even at that 10,000, a 10% gain with $10,000 is $1,000. So yes, that's good. But if you get a 1% gain with $10,000, that's $100. So yeah, that's why $10,000 is a good point to start when you're swing trading. But you don't really need $10,000 to swing trade, because I'm over here swing trading with $7,000 in here because I got my other $3,000. Well, not 3,000, but I got my other 2,500 tied up in here because it went down. It's down $480, and this is a little options contract for United Airlines, which is bound to go up because it's an airline, and we're really getting back into the economy right now. And airlines they're doing really good right now, so I'm not worried about that. But that's not what we were talking about today. What we're talking about here is Litecoin. Litecoin is up 16% today. Well, not today. I mean, Litecoin. I am up 16% on Litecoin. Now, imagine if I just put all my money in here and I wasn't waiting and I wasn't swing trading. Imagine if I just held it. I'd be up 16%. But I only put 1 cent, so I'm up 16% on my 1 cent. And that's why holding it is it's such an important thing to hold. And I know I always talk about how I swing trade, but that's just me personally. You guys don't have to do that. I recommend people to hold instead of swing trading. I swing trade because this is my income. And what I will do is I'll swing trade. And then when it comes time to pay like a bill or two, I may take out a few hundred that I made in profits only. And then I'll pay bills with that. And then I'll just keep trading. So Litecoin is definitely a good coin to buy. But I definitely do think we're going to do some good numbers. But expect it to go down another 2 to 3%, maybe even 5% before we go up. Because it happens every time. When it jumps a lot, it usually ends up going down about 5 to 10%. And as you can see right here, it did that. And we jumped again. So expect it to go down more tomorrow. Like, we're going into the next day negative. So you can already tell that tomorrow, Litecoin is not going to be like I'm not going to say it's going to be doing bad. We're going to lose like a few percent tomorrow, which is good because that's a buying opportunity. And we always want to buy the dips. And it's hard to know when it dips sometimes, but you can tell right now where we're at, that's not a dip. That's the beginning of a dip. That's the beginning of what happened here. That's the beginning of what happened here. But as you can see, this is a new high. That's a new low. We couldn't even reach the new high, but we did reach a new low. And then the next time we reached a new high. So it's only inevitable that we get a new low. And the new low I predict would be like, I want to say the new low would be right here, 220 for Litecoin. So expect Litecoin to go down to 240 or 220, somewhere between that range, and definitely buy you some more Litecoin. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description. You will get 1 free stock if you sign up for Robinhood. And you don't even have to use Robinhood if you don't want. Get your free stock and sell it. But on Robinhood, you can invest in both crypto and stocks at the same time. This is like one of the only platforms that you could do that on, and is like one of the easiest platforms to do it on. So I would definitely recommend you to start off inside of Robinhood. And if you like this video, again, hit the like button. I'll be back with another video.